Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all good and healthy at home. This is your English class. But before starting, here are some instructions. You take your notebook and pencil, write down important points, pause your video when I tell you to pause it. So students, today our aim is you can infer the main idea of story, you can find the events happen and arranging them in sequence, and also you can make the map of story after listening this video. So, Tale of Peter Rabbit. Students, from this picture, what do you think the story is about? Now, pause your video and write the answer. I hope you all have written. Yes, the story is about Rabbit, Tale of Peter Rabbit. In this story, there were 4 little rabbits who lived with their mother, old Mrs. Rabbit. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, Peter. They lived with their mother underneath root of very big tree. Like there is root and under that there is a hole, there they live. One day their mother told them, I am going out, my kids. You all play together down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. She went to bakery through the woods and bought loaf of brown bread or 5 sweets. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, who were good bunnies, went to collect blackberries. But Peter, who was very naughty, ran to Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay students, now stop your video and write the answers of these questions. First one, who is the main character of story? Second, where did the rabbits live? Third, where did this story take place? And the fourth one, what did Mrs. Old Rabbit told them? So now, I hope you have written the answer. We move on. He ate some lychees, French beans and radish in the garden. After eating this much, he felt sick and now he was looking for some place for rest. But when he is looking for rest now, around cucumber plant, Mr. McGregor saw Peter. He ran behind Peter, waving rag on him. Stop, thief! Peter was dreadfully scared. He started running all over the garden. He lost his shoe in cabbage and the second shoe in the potatoes. After losing his shoes, he ran faster on his 4 legs like rabbits run. He ran like that. Okay. While running, Peter's jacket button got stuck in the gooseberry's net. As you can see in the picture now, he started crying loudly. His socks were overheard by some birds who flew down to help him free because birds are watching him. Mr. McGregor came behind Peter, but he wriggled out just in time. Peter now ran to tool shed and hid himself in the can. So students, again, pause your video and write answers to these questions. First, what did he eat in the garden? Second, where did he lose his shoes? Third, who came to help Peter? And the last one is, where did Peter hide himself in the tool shed? So students, I hope you have written. We are move on. Mr. McGregor started searching Peter in tool shed. He turned our flower pots very carefully. Just then, Peter snoozed. Achoo! Now Mr. McGregor again ran behind Peter and tried to put his foot on him. But Peter jumped out of the window. Peter hid himself in bushes, but when nothing happened now, he climbed on wheelbarrow. He peeped from wheelbarrow and saw Mr. McGregor digging onions, and behind him was a gate. Now Peter thought, yes, I can go back from this gate. So Peter came down slowly and started running towards gate without looking behind, without caring about Mr. McGregor. He squeezed under the gate and reached his home safe. Mr. McGregor made scarecrow from Peter's jacket and shoes to frighten Black Crow because Peter left his jacket and shoes now. So Mr. McGregor used his shoes and jacket. After reaching home, Peter flopped down on soft sand and his mother was cooking. She thought where Peter lost his shoes and jacket because it was his second pair, na? That's why. Now Peter was not well. That evening his mother put him to bed and made coffee for him. After reaching home safely, Peter promised himself that he will never be naughty again and he will definitely not be returning to Mr. McGregor's garden. Yes, so class, now stop the video and again write the answers. First, how Peter was feeling that evening. Second, what did he promise to himself? Third, what do you learn from this story? So students, also write 6 important events of this story. I hope you have written the answer. So here the last is story map. First is the title. You have to write the title and then characters and story. You have to write characters like Peter, Floppy, Mopsy, Cottontail, Master McGregor. Like this you have to write all the characters. Second, where does the story take place? And now you have to write events. 2 events happened in the beginning and then 2 events happened in the middle and then 2 events happened in the end. Thank you students. Thanks for watching.